Please welcome Koffie Labs.
Thank you. I'm going to speak to you for a few minutes this morning about, you knew it was coming, commercial auto insurance. There was a time about 30 years ago when trucks on the road were relatively undifferentiated bits of steel and metal. With the advent of advanced safety systems, such as anti-lock braking, we saw a massive reduction in the severity and frequency of events. This means that unquestionably the future of trucking lies in technology. This coupled with the fact that we have upwards of a driver shortage of 100,000 drivers per year over the next 10 years, and humans responsible for 9% of crashes, means that additional safety systems on commercial vehicles help with economic expediency, because everybody wants their prime tomorrow, and does a much better job at addressing these issues. Unfortunately, when we talk about technology, and we reference our friends in the commercial automotive industry today, we find that you're faced with a rather cumbersome submission process. It takes somewhere between 30 and 60 days to get a policy quote and bound. Pricing isn't really knowable until it's quote and bound. Limited markets, nobody wants this business. It's known as the Satan's pit of insurance. You have a combined ratio at 113 and growing, which is on par with today's temperature outside. And you have rates increasing every quarter for the past 9 or so years. What we're doing is develop AI-driven models that incorporate real-time relevant data on the vehicle itself to allow us to price in real time every vehicle on the road today. We've amassed a database of 14 million trucks, 3 million claims, 60,000 claims, and 100 million federal inspections and growing. That allows us to incorporate the most relevant elements of risk and exposure on the road today. The way we think about this is bringing the world of alternative data to commercial vehicles, because we know increasingly what's relevant today is software. Software upgrades can unlock all kinds of power, performance, and ameliorations to vehicle systems. We do this through vehicle-centric models. Give us a VIN in a real-time basis. We'll spit back to you a quote, which can be bound instantly. Fundamentally, at a very high level, what it allows us to do is align the incentives from the insurance company, in our case, the MGA, which is Koffie, to the insured, the fleets, the OEMs, in the Tier 1. So if you have an opportunity to purchase safety systems that are going to increase the financial cost of maybe buying a vehicle, but based on total cost of ownership, you face lower price, that's very much in the interest of everybody, because we're aligning these incentives all the way down the line. I'd love to chat. If you're interested, we're around all afternoon, and upstairs an umbrella. Thank you for your time.